if you want a coffee machine, but you're not too sure how good you're gonna be with making coffee, I suggest you get this one. This is the Breville Express Impress. And what that means is this has everything built in one. So it will ground your ground your beans, and you have the adjustable grind sizes over here. Once I set it, it's good, and I always buy the same beans. And then you just press this little tamper down, and this will tell you exactly how to do it. You just click this button, and then it'll have a little arrow saying tamp, and then you press this button, and then you move it over here, and you press 2 or 1, and you get the perfect espresso every time. It is genius. You do have your steamer wand, which works really well, or you can just do water, hot drip. So if you like tea in the morning, you could also just do hot water, and that comes out of this spout right here. But I'll make hot chocolate with this. I'll make a ton of different things. And it comes with everything that you need. It even comes with a 2 portafilter holder or a 1, so you can make single shots versus double. But if you don't want to buy any additional things, this is the machine for you. If you want simple and easy, I wanted it so easy my husband could do it. This was it. So easy, my husband can do it. And then you just fill in the water in the back. You do not need to have any water hooked up because you just pour water in the back. And everything about maintenance is super easy. I just watched a YouTube video and it's like 2 clicks of a button and it's clean. But I love this device. It looks sleek, it looks beautiful, and it gives you the best coffee.